Our activity for today is about drive mapping. Okay, so in drive mapping, you are required to add the features and roles in Server Manager. Also, you need to log in your domain name to the client side, okay, for you to be able to see the drive that you're going to share to the user. So in this example, I created first a folder and rename it before I go to the Server Manager. Okay, so after that, I created folder, I locate the Server Manager, and then I choose the tools, and then Active Directory users and computers. Okay, after that, I created my own organizational unit. So in my organizational unit example, I created my own company. You can come up with your own organizational unit. Then under OU, right-click at the white screen, then click New. Locate the word group, rename your group name, then click Next. After creating a group, you can now add a username. Right-click again on the blank screen, then choose New, then User. Then create a strong password and check the first box, then check the second and third box. And click Next, then Finish. Okay. Right-click your username, then choose Add to a group. In the text box, type the first two words of your group name, then click Check Names. In the option, choose your group name, then click OK. Now you successfully added your username to the group. After that, check if you really added the username that you created. Right-click your group name, then see Members. Let's now go back to the folder we created earlier. Right-click your folder, then click Properties. Choose Sharing tab, click Advanced Sharing. Check the Share this folder, then Permission. Let's remove everyone, then click Add. Click Advanced, then press Find Now. In the list, add the group name you created. Okay, after finding your group name, click OK, check the permissions, and then Allow. Apply the changes, then click OK. Then you can now close the wizard. After doing that permissions, you can now go to the other configurations. In this example, I set the name of this PC into server to easily identify which PC I am using. So you can do so by pressing on your keyboard Windows plus post break, then change settings, and after restarting the PC, go back to the Server Manager. Go to Tools, then choose Group Policy Management. In Group Policy Management, expand Forest, then Domain, choose your organizational unit. Then right-click, create your GPO. Inside your OU is your newly created GPO. Right-click your GPO, then click Edit. You will then be redirected to the Group Policy Management Editor. In User Configuration, expand Preferences, choose Drive Map. Then click New Map Drive. In the Location text box, you can paste your folder link. But if you don't have, go back first to your folder, then go to Sharing tab, then copy the link, then paste it to the Location text box. Click Reconnect. Then after pasting, click tick the use, then choose the drive you want to share. Also, do not forget to tick both the Show All Drive. Click Apply and then OK. You are now done in the configuration of drive mapping. Now it's time to log in the username that we created. Let us now open the client side. So I am using the virtual machine. I will now log in the username that I created in the group under the organizational unit. After I log in the username, I press the this PC, then under network location, your shared drive should display. We can see that the drive we created is now shared to the designated account. But what if the network that's supposed to display the drive you created is not showing your shared drive? What will you do? First, go to search bar and then type services. In services, look for DNS client, function discovery provider host, SSDP discovery, and UPnP device host. Double click and then in the drop down menu, choose automatic. Do not forget to restart your PC to apply the changes you made. Another way to show the shared drive in network location is to turn on the network advanced sharing. So that's all. You can now perform drive mapping as our performance task.